What's going on, everyone? Just wanted to cut this quick video. And this is a great way to, if you're having problems removing your bankruptcies, judgments, tax liens, and stuff like that, this is a great way to be able to get them removed a lot faster. So if you know the credit bureaus do not verify your public records through the courthouses, what they do is they use third-party websites. So in this video, I'm giving you a list of the websites. This is not freezing your actual credit report. This is freezing your public records. There's a difference. So what you need to do is, I would prefer that you call them. I have the numbers here for you, and get the freeze put on because it will go a lot faster. But I also have provided the websites that you can do it online, but I would suggest calling them and putting a freeze on your public records. So what happens is they're going to send you a letter in the mail. It's important that you keep these letters, keep everything organized, keep everything in your folders, because you will need to unfreeze these eventually, if you're trying to get a house or anything like that. So some of these letters will come with a specific pen catered to you to get it unfrozen. So you definitely need to keep all this paperwork. And like I said, the credit bureaus use third-party websites to verify your public records. So that's how they claim they verify your information. So if you put a freeze on them, how can they verify it? But majority of the time, it usually takes about 30 days to the freeze to really go active. So yeah, it might take another extra 30 days to be able to get it removed, or it could take longer, but at least you have this freeze in place. The credit bureaus don't have proof of verifying the information, then they have to remove it. Otherwise, if they can't provide you with that information, you can sue them. So this is another way to get like your public records removed, is by placing a freeze on these third-party websites that they use to verify your public records. So hopefully you take this information and run with it, but this is a great way to remove your public records.